Alright, 22 feet away from a half-inch foam insulated garage door in my single car garage shop with my Harbor Freight central pneumatic framing gun shooting 3.5-inch .131 framing nails. Gonna pull, the PSI is about 100. I'm going to try to pull this safety guard with my finger and shoot at the same time. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. And I think we see where it landed. Look at there. Alright. For comparison, I'm going to take the same nail and throw it with my Weekend Warrior softball arm. This make it funny. Hang on. I'm about 15 feet, but here we go. Alright. Check it out. I am not Nolan Ryan, people. But that looks pretty similar. Back to my beer.